1, 2, 3.
Hi guys.
And together, 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys.
And one more time. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Is it hi guys? Sorry.
1, 2. Hi guys. Today we're going to make the most delicious homemade ice cream in 1 minute. All we're going to need is 1 pot of yogurt and some ripe bananas. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to freeze the bananas. So what you're going to do is you're going to peel them. Oh my god. There you go. And then we're going to chop them. That's you. Whenever you're using a knife, make sure there's always an adult. I've got a great little tip. When you use a lime, which Petal's going to get now, so the acid from the lime stops the banana from going brown, and it also adds a lot more flavour. So we're going to cut this in half using the bridge method. 2 fingers on the side of the lime, and then just cut straight down, and then it's in half, and then you can just squeeze it right over the banana. Then we're going to just... Nothing's coming out.
There's no juice there.
It's a challenging job. So you're going to toss the bananas in the lime juice so all of the bananas get all the juice in it. And then you're going to get one of these bags that Petal has right here. You're going to put these bananas into the bag, and then you're going to freeze them for about half a day, and they'll turn very hard. And then you can keep them in there for about a month.
Right, let's make some ice cream.
So we've got the frozen bananas here, ready frozen bananas, and we'll open this up if I can.
That's an arrow, buddy.
I thought you said it was 1 minute ice cream.
So these are the frozen bananas, and then we're just going to pop them into the food processor. Processor. So we're going to whiz it up. Be careful with your hands. Take this off.
Grab a spatula.
There you go. So you're going to go around the edges to get all the stuff in the middle, and then you're going to put the top back on and give it another buzz. Oh, it looks so good. All you need is 2 big tablespoons of yogurt. Right, look at that. We're going to use a spatula again to mix it up.
I got the cone.
So we're going to use the spoon that we used for the yogurt, and we're going to get a cone, and we're just going to fill it up with ice cream.
And remember to do this quickly before it melts.
Yep. Nice.
This one?
Thank you. I'm not a very good scooper, am I?
No.
Now we can add some sprinkles and decoration. There you go. Yum. Messy is good. And then we have a trick here with the chocolate. We get a grater, and we can just use one of these sides. I don't really know which one, but I'm going to use this one. Grate that. Yeah, you need adult supervision to do this.
Don't grate your hands.
It's quite dangerous. And just, yeah. And then, what you're going to do, we can add some cinnamon on the top from the height. Ooh. And we've done our ice cream of wonders.
River! Ice cream!
Now we can eat. I'm hungry.
I'm making ice.
Hey River.
Chocolate.
River, there's your ice cream.
That's so big!
So there you go, guys. That's our 1 minute ice cream. Do it quickly so it doesn't melt.
Poopy doopy nice.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Woo! If you want the recipe, click the link.
If you want the recipe, click the link.